Hi everybody, this is Roxy. Long time no see. I am finally getting back at reality after my craft sales. It got down to a crazy whirlwind of crafting last 2 weeks ago now. Last week was a madhouse. There were so many things to get done, and I didn't procrastinate. Okay, a little bit I did. I kind of took a break here and there, but it was nuts. But so was my second sale. It was like the best one I've ever had. And my last sale before that was at a church I've been going to for like, I think 6 or 8 years now. And that was my best sale there. And there weren't a ton of people coming out. And I'll get into that when I do the sale recap. Anyways, I got another box from Amanda at Your Creative Studio, and I'm super excited. It's my birthday month, so November is going to be a fun one. I can just tell. I try not to look at them like other people are doing reviews, and I just go by them, don't pay attention, because I want to be excited and surprised when I get mine. Because she usually contacts me. I think she contacted me like 2 weeks ago. So anyways, here's November. The little paper. I like this new paper. It's a really cool color. Ooh. I think I'm going to take her out. Okay, so Shies puts a sticker card in, or a theme card in. That's really pretty. And thank you. Very pretty, Amanda. Ooh, I can't wait. It's going to be deer. I love deer. We have a lot of deer in our backyard. Well, I should call it the forest behind us. I guess it's the last forest in Amber Grove Heights. And it's kind of just a wooded area above a lake. It's not kinda, it is. Oh, so these are little tiny deers. Cute. A stag. I think they're all stags. There's a stag. Those are really cool. Those are cute on little index cards. Another stag. They must be all stags. Oh, nope, there's a doe. Cute. Actually, a fawn. So we don't know if it's a doe or a stag yet. And then, ooh, another stamp. Nice. Oh, cool. Oh, it's got a wig on. Oh, that's cool. That is really cute. Almost Maggie Holmes-ish. Maggie Holmes-ish. That's cute. Little fun lady deer. Or, I don't know. It's a curly wig. It's cute. And some washi. These are all her designs. She numbers everything. She didn't start out doing that with her designs, but she started, I think, kind of later on. A little bit. I hate pulling these out because I don't want to lose any of it. Pretty. Look at that one. Oh, these are nice. This is really nice. Cool. Wow, it keeps going too. Really nice, Amanda. My last 2 sales, I actually became Mrs. Claus's supplier. I have a fun story about that. All right, vintage stickers. These would be cool. Oh, that's neat. V-Dub. Disneyland. Cool. And then you get, looks like 3 of each, which is nice. So you don't have to hoard them. These are cool. Bus token. Train ticket. Cool. These are really nice. Those are really cool. Well, you know, I think they're cool. At least we established that, right? Ration coupons. I've got some of those. I actually have real ones. I used to collect stuff like, well, I still do. I shouldn't say used to. But I collected a lot over the years. Look at more ice. Isn't that crazy? To think you had to buy blocks of ice for your frigid air. Okay, that's cool. Note cards. Oh, it's a tablet. Cool. Oh, you get different ones. This is cool. Nice little journal spots. This is really cool. Like old writing tablet. Nice labels. This is really awesome. Dot. What you call it? Bullet journal, right? Dot journal. And then these plain ones. That's cool. I like it when there's a lot, so you don't have to like worry about, oh, I'll never see it again. I've only got 2 left. I'll save them forever. Well, actually, I worry about that stuff. Maybe you don't. Cool. Cool bookmark. I wonder if she made this. Very cool, Amanda. I like how you cut out the antlers. That's really cool. That is cool. Super cool. Awesome. Better keep it all in shot so nobody forgets anything. This is always good. Nice little stickers. Clear. Nice. Ooh, another stamp. 6 stamps in this one. That's awesome. And envelopes galore. We love these. Oh, that one's really nice. That's they have a certain name. This kind of deer with the more pointy face. Can't think of what it is though. I'll have to look it up. Very cool. Really good size. That's nice. I can't wait to play with her though. She's funny. It's really cute. This is nice, Amanda. I think this is usually Mimics or washi tape. Sometimes. Yeah, there's that deer. There's this deer. So that's nice. Oh, you could have put in a ton of these stickers. I think they're stickers. Yeah. Sorry about my nails. They're a lost cause. I used to have really nice nails. I'm going to go to this one. Oh, stamps. Awesome. I love stamps. What's this? Onyx Libris. This is cool. That'd be cool in your journal in the front. 1954. That's really cool. So what do we have? I'm going to put it here. All kinds. All kinds of animals. I really like animals. Cool. A huge variety. That's really nice. And this looks like you get 2 of each. Which again, you can at least hoard 1 of them. Nice. See, I'll go through and I'll have to put the 2 together in my anal way. This is nice. Oh, look at this one. That's cool. What year they're from? All different. Cute. Look at the little owl. Cute little owl. Awesome. Alright, I'm going to put them back in. So they're all nice and not loose. This is jam-packed. Oh, look at this. I think that's another one of hers. Amanda, you're really going to town. This is awesome. Very nice. Post-it notes. Cool. That's the same one. Is that one? Yep. Very cool. And then this card. That'll be nice to use. Because it's the same, like a background. That's nice. And more tags. Nice. They're thick. See, that's the... Oh, cool. Oh, wow. You know what? I think, Amanda, this is my personal taste, or personal preference. I like your stuff the best. Because you really pull it all together and really use cool artwork. Like right up my alley artwork. I like the other stuff, but I think your stuff is what, for me, really puts everything together. And makes it really nice. Very nice. I love it. That is if you're listening. Hopefully. Right? Okay, that's cute. Ooh, the little bow can go on my little deer. I wonder if the deer's an actor. This is cute though. These are always nice to have. You can always stick them somewhere. A little clover. Is that pretty? And there's a lot of them. Awesome. Cool. I know I say cool a lot. I have since 7th grade. When I first heard the word. Now here is... I'll put it on here. That's really pretty. That's going to be nice. This would be cool to make like a window. Use it for the window of a card or something. You know what I mean, Vern? That's pretty. Ooh. Fancy. That's cool. I wonder how you get it to print. Nice. This would be so nice for like a deer hunter, for a journal or something. I wonder if guys, I know guys, they keep track of stuff, like their oil changes. I bet they keep track of their hunting seasons too. Anyways, that is one gorgeous kit, Amanda. I love it. And if you want to use my code, it'll be down below. And thanks so much for watching. On my next video, I'll be making something. Put together a little something, and I'll do a watch me make. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.